Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about the difference between utility dividends and tech dividends, including their business models, dividend yields, growth potential, stability, risks, and suitability for different investment goals. To begin with, utility companies and technology companies operate in very different industries. Utility businesses usually provide essential services such as electricity, natural gas, and water. Because consumers and businesses need these services in almost every economic condition, utility revenues can be relatively stable. In many cases, utility companies also operate within regulated markets, meaning prices and investment returns may be influenced by government authorities. On the other hand, technology companies operate in innovation-driven industries such as software, semiconductors, digital platforms, cloud computing, electronic devices, and communication technology. Their revenue may grow much faster when new products or services become successful. However, technology earnings can also be less predictable because of changing customer preferences, intense competition, rapid innovation, and shorter product cycles. Next, there is an important difference in dividend yield. Utility stocks often provide higher current dividend yields. This can make them attractive to investors who want income today, particularly retirees or income-focused investors who depend on regular cash flow. Utilities may distribute a larger portion of their earnings because their industries are mature and may offer fewer high-growth expansion opportunities. In comparison, technology companies often provide lower current dividend yields. Many technology businesses prefer to retain more cash for research, product development, acquisitions, global expansion, and infrastructure investment. As a result, investors may initially receive less dividend income, even when the company is highly profitable. However, a lower dividend yield does not automatically mean a weaker investment. Some mature technology companies may have strong balance sheets, large cash reserves, and rapidly growing dividends. Therefore, investors should consider both the current yield and the future growth potential of the dividend. Furthermore, dividend growth can be different between the two sectors. Utility dividend growth is often slower but more consistent. A utility company may increase its dividend gradually as regulated earnings and customer demand rise over time. These increases may not be dramatic, but they can provide a more predictable income pattern. In contrast, mature technology companies may be able to increase their dividends at a faster rate. When earnings and free cash flow grow strongly, a tech company may raise its payout by a larger percentage. This can be valuable for long-term investors because a smaller dividend today may become a much larger income stream in the future. For example, an investor choosing a utility stock may receive a relatively high starting yield but slower annual dividend increases. Meanwhile, an investor choosing a technology dividend stock may begin with a lower yield but potentially experience stronger dividend growth. Therefore, the better choice depends partly on whether the investor prioritizes current income or future income growth. Another important difference is stability. Utilities are often considered more defensive because demand for electricity, water, and gas usually continues even during economic slowdowns. People may reduce spending on luxury items, travel, or new devices, but they still need essential household services. This can help utility companies maintain more consistent revenue. Technology businesses can be less stable because earnings may be affected by economic cycles, customer demand, competition, and rapid industry changes. A successful product may generate strong profits, but new competitors or technological disruption can quickly change the market. Therefore, technology stocks may experience larger changes in both earnings and share prices. At the same time, utility stability should not be treated as a guarantee. Utility companies may face regulatory decisions, infrastructure costs, environmental requirements, natural disasters, and high debt levels. These factors can place pressure on profits and dividend sustainability. Similarly, technology companies are not always highly risky. Some large and established technology businesses have diversified revenue, recurring subscription income, strong cash flow, and very low debt. These qualities may support dependable dividends even when the sector experiences market volatility. Next, consider growth potential. Utility companies normally have lower capital growth potential because the sector is mature and heavily regulated. Demand may grow steadily, but utility companies often require large amounts of capital to build and maintain power plants, networks, pipelines, and other infrastructure. Technology companies may offer higher capital growth potential when they successfully expand into new markets or create popular products. A technology business can sometimes increase revenue rapidly without increasing physical infrastructure at the same rate. This can support stronger earnings growth and higher long-term share price appreciation. However, higher growth potential usually comes with greater uncertainty. Investors may pay expensive valuations for technology companies based on future expectations. If those expectations are not achieved, the share price can fall significantly. Therefore, potential growth should always be considered together with valuation and business quality. Interest rate sensitivity is another important comparison. Utility stocks can be particularly sensitive to rising interest rates. Because many investors view utility dividends as bond-like income, higher bond yields may make utility stocks less attractive. In addition, utility companies often carry significant debt because of their large infrastructure requirements. Rising borrowing costs can therefore reduce profits and financial flexibility. Technology stocks may respond differently to interest rate changes. High-growth companies are often valued based on profits expected many years in the future. When interest rates rise, the present value of those future earnings may decline, which can place pressure on technology share prices. Therefore, both sectors can be affected by interest rates, but the reasons may be different. The overall risk profile also varies. Utilities generally have lower share price volatility and more predictable business demand. However, they remain exposed to regulation, debt, infrastructure expenses, environmental changes, and interest rate risk. Tech dividend stocks generally have higher volatility and may face risks from innovation, changing demand, cybersecurity threats, competition, regulation, and valuation changes. On the other hand, successful technology companies may produce stronger earnings growth and greater long-term capital appreciation. This leads to the question of which type of dividend is the better fit. Utility dividends may suit investors who want higher current income, lower volatility, and defensive exposure. They may be particularly useful for investors approaching retirement or those who prioritize portfolio stability. In contrast, tech dividends may suit investors who want stronger dividend growth, greater capital appreciation, and exposure to innovation. These investments may be more appropriate for investors with a longer time horizon and a higher tolerance for market volatility. Nevertheless, investors do not always need to choose only one sector. A balanced dividend portfolio may include both utilities and technology companies. Utilities can contribute current income and defensive stability, while technology companies can contribute growth and rising future dividends. The key takeaway is that yield-focused investing aims to maximize current income today. Growth-focused investing aims to build potentially higher income tomorrow. A balanced portfolio combines both approaches so that investors can receive income while also participating in long-term growth. For example, an income-focused retiree may allocate more of the portfolio to utilities and other defensive dividend sectors. Meanwhile, a younger investor may allocate more to technology dividend growth stocks. An investor seeking balance may combine both based on risk tolerance, income needs, and time horizon. When evaluating either sector, investors should study dividend yield, payout ratio, free cash flow, debt levels, earnings growth, dividend history, valuation, and industry risks. A high yield is not useful if the dividend is later reduced, while rapid dividend growth may not continue if earnings weaken. Ultimately, utility dividends are generally associated with higher current yield, greater stability, slower growth, and defensive characteristics. Tech dividends are generally associated with lower starting yield, stronger growth potential, greater volatility, and innovation-driven returns. Therefore, the right choice depends on your financial goals. Investors seeking income now may prefer stronger utility exposure. Investors seeking growth and potentially larger income later may prefer mature technology dividend companies. A combination of both may provide a more diversified balance between income, stability, and long-term growth. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.